Hello everyone, this is Priya and I welcome you all to Think Numerically. Let's grow together and share knowledge. In this video, we are going to solve one of the important questions in the topic trigonometry. So let's get started. The question is, prove the following identity and you have tan³ plus tanθ upon cot³ plus cotθ, which is equals to tan⁴θ. So here what we are going to do is we will assume left hand side and simplify it further. So if you see clearly in the numerator there are two terms, both the terms have tan as common. So we will take tanθ outside and what is left from tan³θ, tan²θ is left plus 1. Similarly, in the denominator as well, you have cotθ which is common in both the terms. So, you take cotθ common and here you get, one second. Yeah. So, here you get cot² plus 1 as common. Now, you know trigonometric identity. So, tan² plus 1 is equals to sec⁡θ. So, sec² you get here. Similarly, cot⁡θ and here you have cot² plus 1. So, 1 plus cot² is cosec². We have just used trigonometric identity, right? Now, if you see RHS, we want all only tan⁴. So, remaining terms we will convert it into tan⁴. Let's see how. So, tan⁴ we will keep it as it is. Now, we know that cot⁡ is nothing but 1 upon tan⁴. So, in next step we will take it in the numerator. Then sec² is nothing but reciprocal of cos² and cosec² is reciprocal of sin², correct? So, from this we will take tan⁴ multiplied with tan⁴ is tan², and when you take reciprocal of this, it is nothing but sin² upon cos². Sin² upon cos², we know that sin upon cos is sin upon cos is tan. So, we get it the same thing, tan² multiplied by tan², which is nothing but tan⁴. So, this is nothing but our RHS. So, as left hand side is equals to right hand side, we have proved this given identity. That's it in this video. If you like this video, do share it among your friends and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.